Welcome to Buy Smart. Are you looking for the perfect snow shovel? In this video, we'll compare two of the best models out there: the SnowJoe 24V-SS10 Cordless Snow Shovel Kit and the Greenworks Pro 80-volt Cordless Brushless Snow Shovel. Which is the best for your needs? The SnowJoe weighs only 8.8 pounds, making it extremely light and easy to maneuver, while the Greenworks weighs 9.9 pounds. Both feature ergonomic handles for comfortable use. The SnowJoe clears a 10 inches wide by 6 inches deep path of snow with each pass and can throw snow up to 20 feet. On the other hand, the Greenworks model has a 12 inches wide clearing path and can throw snow up to 18 feet. The SnowJoe is powered by a 4Ah battery and promises up to 25 minutes of runtime. The Greenworks is powered by a 2Ah battery and delivers up to 20 minutes of runtime. It all depends on your needs, so make sure to consider both products before making your pick. Thanks for watching and happy shoveling.